In today's video, I'm gonna guide you on how you can upload story on Instagram from PC. So let's get started. So first of all, is that you want to go and use a Chrome browser and then go into Instagram.com. And then once you're here, what you want to do next is that you want to click here on the three dots on the top right, which is right here. Tap on it. And then once you're here, you want to go into more tools, which is right here. And then now you would want to go into developer tools. Once you're here, what you need to do is to just simply tap here or click here on this icon, wherein you'd be able to convert your Instagram into the mobile version. And then once it's in the mobile version, you can just simply expand this so that you'd be able to see all of the buttons. Because if it's too narrow, just like this one right here, you would have limited buttons. So make sure that you expand this until you can see everything so that you'd be able to see the Your Story button right here where you can upload a story. So that's where we would need to click on. So click here. And now from here, you could now upload from your storage here in your PC. For example, I would want to upload this photo and click on open. And then here it is. And from here, this will now prompt you to know your location and so on. But in my case, I'll just go for never allow. But if you don't want to allow, that is also fine. It doesn't affect your upload for your story. So I'm just going to expand this a little bit more right there. And now from here, you can now tap here on add to your story, as you can see here at the bottom. Or you could also just adjust or edit something, put some text and so on to your story if you don't want to. In my case, I'll just want to post it now. So add to your story, tap on it here at the bottom. And as you can see, it says uploading. So you just need to wait for it to be uploaded now, as it's still in the process of uploading. As you can see here on the bottom left, it says your photo was added. Now we just need to wait for it to load. And now when you go back in here, you should now be able to see that your story is now uploaded right here. So now we can click on this and view our story that has been uploaded, and here it is. So yeah, that's it on how you can do it here on Instagram PC. Thank you for watching.